So hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we're going to see how you can connect your TikTok shop to Facebook page. That first you have to visit TikTok shop, and from here you have to visit their website, and right from here you have to log in and create a seller account. And after that, successfully creating your seller account, you have to go on your Facebook page. You have to click on your profile picture and make sure that you have switched to your Facebook page from your main profile, and then click on your name and this page will open. And on your profile page you have to go in about section and scroll down. You can see websites and social link. You can simply add your TikTok shop website link here. Suppose I'm writing pratgloves9.com. So your link will look like this, and you can click on save, and geez, this is added. So this was that simple. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.